Namaste. Very happy to be a part of this Viswaguru Bharat initiative on this auspicious occasion of the 164th birthday of Swami Vivekananda. What does Swami Vivekananda mean to me? Swami Vivekananda, the very thought of Vivekananda Swami brings enthusiasm, brings serenity at the same time, brings the youth power. It brings oneness. He means much more than one concept. He means an awakening of the Bharat Mata's spirituality's spirit. And how has he inspired me in my journey? I see Vivekananda Swami as the best of the West and the Eastern world, the combination. He has understood the Western philosophy and the Eastern philosophy and hence knows which is higher, which has more insight, which is deeper. He could reach out to all the masses and bring oneness within the masses. He could connect with everybody, irrespective of their religion, and bring Advaita into practicality, into a practical form. So that has inspired me, and he is a youth icon. In a very early age, at a very early age, he understood that the solution to modern day problems, all the modern day problems, the solution is the Guru, the proper Guru, which he found at Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa's feet, lotus feet. So, what does Swami Vivekananda really mean? How is he important in today's national scenario? As every era requires that renaissance. Today, if you see the whole world is undergoing a turmoil, lot of complexities in mind. Many people, right from children to adults, they are not able to sleep properly. They are tempted by a lot of bad habits. They have a lot of distractions. They are very confused. And the answer is Swami Vivekananda, because he brings that perfect picture of religion and spirituality and application of spirituality into our practical lives. He helps us calm our mind, find the real Guru, understand the Sanatana Dharma in its truest principle, see everybody as equal, the spirit of oneness. So the present day needs the concept of Swami Vivekananda, because he is the solution, the national scenario. In today's national scenario, we need the teachings and the lectures of Vivekananda more and more to be reached out to a lot of youngsters, so that they can get out of their depression, they can get out of their complexities and understand that this whole world is like a stage, it's like a drama. So present day youth need to derive a lot from his teachings and from his preachings and understand what he really wanted to tell us. All this is very important in this context. And finally, the question regarding what is the advice or the guidance towards youngsters. Definitely, every youngster of today's era has this inquiring mind, curious questions. And Vivekananda Swami is so relatable because he was a very, very curious, modern youngster type. Until he met Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, he was so curious about each and every practice in our Sanatana Dharma, whether God really exists, should we believe in God or not. So all these are very relatable to today's youngsters. But finally, in his beautiful spiritual journey, he found out the answers. So for those who are seeking, instead of reinventing the wheel again, you can just go through his books, his complete works, read his lectures, and try to understand what he went through, because it is the same journey. All of us are looking towards answers, looking for answers, and he has the answers. Vivekananda Swami has the answer to every question that today's youngster has in mind. So that is why this Advaita Ashrama branch of Ramakrishna Math at Belur is bringing out this beautiful concept. So by reading his lectures, going through his lectures and complete works, and also by following and practicing an inward experience of what Vivekananda Swami already had, I think today's youngsters can benefit a lot. And that would, not only youngsters, for everybody, let that journey begin as soon as possible. Radhe Radhe. Namaste.